Hey guys, welcome to another video of Midnight Fresian. Today we are here with Zoe, Alexis, and Dakota. God damn it, you guys sound like you're on crack or something.
Because I am.
Today we're gonna be racing in the vineyard.
Boy, you think I'm accepting that?
Yeah, bro, you better. Or we're gonna be having heart attacks. Oh shit, which one is this? Oh well, I'll guess.
Oh, I'm third.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
No, but you thought.
How many views did you got on the video, by the way?
I have no idea, man. I didn't even check.
I hope we got under 10 views. I'm gonna be... I don't
Cough,
want anyone
cough.
to hear my cringy voice. No. You guys' voice are cute. Don't worry.
Oh fuck.
What do you
I'm
mean by
triggered.
that? I'm the only one allowed to do this.
I'm triggered right now. Yeah, I'm in second place, but I don't know how. Oh, I'm in first place again. Why is Blue Rabbit faster than Dragon Soul? I don't get this.
No, I don't know if I am.
I'm fourth. I'm so good, guys. I'm like on the verge of giving up and just trying this race. Oh, I'm right. Oh, I passed Shelby. Fuck you.
Oh, Jesus.
I would have beat your ass before fun.
Oh, do it hard.
Did you catch Sophia Firelion's cough through the phone? I swear you did. Oh my god, Shelby.
Alright, you good.
Rip. I'm like,
Spank me. Do it, girl. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, girlie. Come here.
Where are you going?
do you guys want to do the garden race next? Which one do you guys want to do next?
What's this one?
That's the one I'm pretty sure that's the one we just did.
Okay.
Or I'll say that one. Oh, fuck. Which one is this? You sound very gay, yes. We know this.
Isn't that great?
No.
You're gonna piss me. I forgot your name of your YouTube channel. So yeah.
Midnight Frisian, we do it every single intro.
Here we are.
Oh my god, you guys suck. Oh my god. What the actual hell, Mo?
Oh my god, fuck up. This is like a fake bro.
I know, I messed up one of these shortcuts when I was jumping over that rock.
This is not like a fight between me and Shelby and like Abby and Beltra.
No, I'm literally, you're like 20 years behind.
You're 20 years behind me.
20
And 1 year in front of you.
Oh, I know. I missed. No.
Oh shit, Zoe, no.
Okay.
No, fuck wrong button. I literally hit the wrong button.
Fuck, I'm gonna fail this race if that continue. I'm stuck in the goddamn rock.
So now you're gonna walk the rest of the race and then trigger everyone.
Oui, inquiète pas, je vais te fermer.
I don't know you.
C'est pas vague. Oui. Connu. Oui, j'y compris rien.
Okay, are you speaking French?
Yes, I am.
Oh, Zoe, you still kept your place. Congratulations.
I'm coming.
Oh, see, she's gonna wait there until Mo passes her up.
Are you waiting just for me to spank you or something?
I lost.
Shelby. Oh, there's Mo. He's gonna try and trigger him. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. You asshole.
Isn't it a great day today?
Oh my god, that was so triggering.
We're all idiots. It's our fault on that.
Oh lord.
I didn't beat you, so no spanking today.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, we're gonna do this one. Okay, might as well. We did the other one.
I'm gonna be first, man.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, fuck. I just fucked that up. Oh fuck. Oh, I really screwed that up.
We really do, actually.
Oh. I legit screwed up that race by taking the wrong... Watch me pass up both of you guys.
Fucking hell, kill yourself. Okay.
I have this thing against last place, so I'm probably not gonna get last place.
No!
Oh, Zoe! I'm gonna get first place. Or Shelby, maybe.
Oh, I'm fourth now. I'm so good at racing, especially on this fucking laggy PC that I have right now.
I'm on an 11-year-old computer. My computer turned 11 a few days ago.
Oh, that's happy birthday. You fucking suck.
Dude, you're that much out of date now.
You could be my grandfather now.
Oh lord. Still older than the computer, but not by much. Oh, Zoe's right behind me.
I ran into his fence.
Oh, rest in pieces then.
Oh, I didn't fuck up that chocolate.
Oh, I didn't know about that chocolate. Oh, thank you very much.
That was actually kind of an interesting race.
I'm so good at this race. I'm gonna try it.
Oh, I'm triggered. I'm very triggered. Oh, Shelby's gonna canter it. I'm still triggered.
But I'm gonna fail it. I went down too many times. No, I'm fucking fine.
Oh my god, I am so triggered, Mo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck, I didn't have time. No.
Rip whack.
Yo, girl, you have no right to wet me.
Okay, let's go to the garden race.
Oh, okay, I never got one up.
It's down here.
I don't have it unlocked yet.
Oh, it'd be kind of interesting for you guys. And when you watch this video, I guess you guys can use all my shortcuts. Because I have quite a few.
Oh,
If I don't fail the race, that is.
no. I mean, you're gonna feel so bad that like
Me being able to use all your shortcuts, I'm bad at it.
Oh shit, goddamn, I suck at this. Okay, oh fuck.
like
Oh, I didn't die.
No, you should have took extra
Background noise, okay.
Cereal bowl?
Ask my dad. Good luck, guys. Don't die. Oh, I'm in the worst position possible. Isn't that lovely?
This is lovely.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Oh, I'm third.
Oh, congratulations.
Go away, so no one's like you. I'm spitting on your horse. It's gonna slow you down.
I'm for sure.
Then the dude who was crushing on Shelby's gonna get triggered.
Oh Jesus, I just fucked that up.
Oh, I'm the fucking sure.
Yes, I'm second. Ha! This is a miracle.
I'm gonna lose this shit because I'm too fast. I cannot. Oh.
Oh god.
Oh, rest in pieces, Zoe.
She saw me fly and wanted to fly with me.
I'm so better than you guys. Yeah. No, actually, I'm waiting. Oh fuck, I didn't have time to wait.
Screamo.
You didn't have time to.
Shelby, where are you? You're so far away. I cannot see you. Oh, I see you. Don't move. Oh no, that's so.
Bruh. Rest in peace. I see Shelby. She's stuck in the wagon.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
I believe in you.
Oh, she gonna walk it. Nope.
Oh, curl and come.
Okay.
If you know what I mean by that.
What are we doing now?
You.
Rip.
Someone. Dorina Skylight.
You have another
Night.
thing.
Where's Cody?
Let's go
I
to
need
the
to
golden
talk to you.
entrance. Oh shit.
Oh, you have something to do.
I'm gonna go to the Golden Valley entrance.
Towards none of them to go. That should be.
No, I'm not gonna. We're not gonna go inside Golden Valley. We're just gonna
Donald
go
Trump
to
just
the.
told me hi. I'm scared.
Hey, Mom. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's still like called me like 4 times today. I can't go down there. I'm not that.
Let's go to the Golden Valley entrance, though.
Oh, no.
This is kind of funny to watch everyone just. Hello, Zoe.
Okay, I'm back.
I need guys. We're going to go to the Golden Valley entrance.
Oh.
Oh my god. Guys,
Yeah. What's wrong?
are you guys going around the whole Are you guys running around the whole thing?
I'm trying to get out of there somehow. I'm highly failing at it.
I really took the long way because I was feeling good. Wait, where are you going?
We're just gonna go to the.
All of this is so sludgy somehow. Like, try to run and like block you and take damage, and sometimes you just fall off a cliff and like you survive. It's like good logic.
I'm just gonna do the outro here,
What's gonna be the outro?
right here, in front of Golden Valley.
Oh, because we're gonna do the outro?
Yeah.
Fuck the outro.
Oh.
What are you gonna say? Hi, no.
Hey guys, this is This is it all for today. So yeah, guys.
Is that really your imitation of me? I'm very offended. I'm very offended.
Look at me fly. Look at me fly.
Anyway, that's all for Midnight Fresian. I'll see you guys on the next episode.
Look at the writing